Only 13% of veterans ever use their VA home loan. That means that 9 out of 10 veterans miss out on one of the best tools they've earned. And most of the time, it's just simply because nobody takes the time to explain it in a way that makes sense. My name is Mitch Tucker, or better known as that VA guy. I'm a veteran and the #1 veteran VA lender in Georgia. And every day I help veterans, service members, and their families win the home they deserve with confidence and clarity. Here's the problem though. Most banks and lenders don't specialize in VA loans. They push people into other types of mortgages or give advice that just simply makes the process a lot harder than it needs to be. And so that mistake can cost you thousands of dollars, leave you confused instead of confident, and this channel is being made to change that. I'm going to explain VA loans in English. You'll learn how the loan works from start to finish. You'll know what lenders look for when you apply for a home loan, how the appraisal step works, what to expect with closing costs. You'll also learn how to make strong offers that sellers take you seriously, because there's a lot of misconceptions about that. And along the way, I'm going to share market updates, real stories from veterans, and strategies that save you money long after you close. My goal is simple: to simply make sure that no veteran feels taken advantage of when going to buy a house. And so if you're even thinking about using your VA loan, or don't even know if you're eligible to use your VA loan, grab the VA Buyer's Playbook in the description. It literally walks you step by step through the process. And while you're there, hit subscribe so you don't miss the weekly updates. You have literally earned these benefits. And so I'm here to make sure that you use them the right way. So again, please hit subscribe, grab your free playbook below, and let's move forward together.